Hey, what's going on, fam? I'm gonna do my unboxing for my MyHigh infrared sauna blankie. Let's make it happen. Ooh! First time popping it open. Just came in today. A little bit longer to ship, but I think that was because of the snow. No stress. Nice little bag here that it comes in. Oh, yeah, baby. Let's make this happen. Don't unplug the power plug while switched on. Don't use in humid conditions. If product is not in proper condition, do not turn on. You don't want to be turned on unless you're in a proper condition. It's true. And finally, don't use if the wire is twisted. Yo, we're about to get wet. We about to get wet, baby. I'm gonna try it out.